So my phone doesn't have a background. Let's fix this by 10 best wallpaper apps for your Android phone. Of course, finding the perfect wallpaper, but what we can do is try all of these new apps and see which one fits the best for you. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe down below so we can make more recommendations like this. Of course, the first thing we have to do is to go to the Play Store. The first app is called Crayon Wallpapers. And if 89 cents is too much for you, I have a great app for you. If you go to stores a lot, you will get a lot of recommendations from Google Opinion Rewards. I have to update it right here, but if I open my app and I haven't even added anything, haven't added any money, I got €8.58 from this app alone. I recommend you install it because it's all free money. Do note, my money is going to expire on the 26th of September, so I have to spend it until then. So let's go back to Crayon Wallpaper right here, and then we're going to try this app. This is one of the 10 apps I'm going to try with you guys, so make sure you stay tuned. So right now it should be successful. There you go, it's going to install the app right now, and I'm going to show you which wallpapers we get from this. Well, here on the website it says offers incredible collection of custom designed HD and 4K wallpaper apps. They have around 1800 wallpapers, with new ones adding every single 2 or 3 days. So I'm going to open it right now. They have a remix wallpaper feature. Adjust hues, brightness and contrast to personalize your wallpapers, which is pretty good. So if you like vibrant, hand-drawn style wallpapers, this app could be very good for you. So let's have a look. This is the app right here, Crayon Wallpapers. Let's have a look. Oh, this one is pretty nice. So here we have an amazing wallpaper. It has a lot of texture, it's really hand-drawn, and I think it looks a lot better than my boring black wallpaper. The app feels pretty good, I would say, for first time, and it has a lot of features. So make sure you check it out, Crayon Wallpapers. So number 2 is called Wave Drop, which is a pretty cool name actually. But I had it wrong, it's called Backdropped Wallpapers. So right here we have some cool wallpapers. So let's install the app. After opening the app, this is the first thing you see. Backdrops, so let's accept and continue the cookies so they can keep stalking us. Right here we have some cool vibrant wallpapers. And even though my screen is broken, they look pretty good. For example, this one, Phantom Powder, I think it is pretty good. Let's set it as the background. Let's do it as home screen and lock screen. After doing this, it's applied and there is your new background. You can't lie, this already looks a lot better. The next app is called Wally. Right here, we have some stunning 4K wallpapers. Let's have a look at it. So let's open the app right now. Wally. Welcome to Wally. Let's try it out and have a look. There are some categories we have to pick. So for example, maybe we want some love because it's Valentine for me right now. And we want the May blue. We want some cars, maybe with some space. Pick 3 or more. So let's pick that car right here. Then press on continue. Great choice. We're personalizing your experience. Of course, they're giving us ads. But let's click here on the X button right here, and then we have some cool wallpapers right here. So let's scroll down. Maybe you want this car, maybe you want this space. This is a space icon. We can swipe for more, or you can just set it and it really just looks like a TikTok design, but I think it's fine. Right here we have set, and then you have to watch an ad. Or try the subscription they have. Let's watch an ad that's set as home and lock screens. Right now, it has probably been completed, so there is my new background. And the reason why I didn't see any ads, it's because of my Wi-Fi settings. I have my DNS 1 and 2 on Google's domain, which sometimes skips some ads, but not always. And that's very good. Do remember, even though these wallpapers apps have ads, they are full stacked with other wallpapers, and that means it's always good to look through them and find your own personal favorites. Make sure to subscribe if you're already enjoying this short video. If you have trouble with backgrounds like this having a lot of detail, you can also go to a minimalized wallpaper app, which is called Wallpaper. So let's install it right here. While installing it, we can scroll down and we can see right here that they are pretty much basic. that does mean that you're not distracted by what's in the background. So let's open the app right now. After doing this, let's continue with Google, which is really annoying. You have to log in, but let's continue. I'm going to log in right now. After pressing on my Google account, it says sign in successful. And we have the app right here. It's already loading. We have some abstract things, some very minimalistic things, not really distracting. This one is very colorful. We have GoPro. So they have free and pro wallpapers. So let's click here on free. And now we can scroll down. You can already see the quality difference. So this is probably not even the best app. But I do like some of these things. For example, this simple Christmas tree, which is taking a long time to load. But here you go. Apply. And then we have to watch an ad. There you go. And I'm going to do the home screen and lock screen right now. I don't have to watch an ad. I'm lucky. So let's continue. Back to the home screen, you can see I have the Christmas theme right now. Like I said, some of them have annoying ads and pro features, but they can contain very cool wallpapers. I know what a lot of people have been saying about MKBHD, but I really like the Panels app. So let's go and install it and enable it on my system. There you go. I'm going to open it. And the reason I really like it is because it has more attention to it. And I guess it's sometimes better than normal. But you can skip login right here, which is pretty nice. You can turn off notifications, all those annoying things. So let's do that. And then continue right here. This is the Panels app from MKBHD. Taking a minute to load. Oh, we have to accept the conditions, of course. Make sure you do that. And then we can continue. You have some wallpapers right here. We have to select 5 to get started. Let's do this one, and maybe this one, and then continue. Oh, we have to select 2 artists. Huh? Okay, we will do one more. We'll do this one, which is of course a member of MKBHD if you didn't know it yet. So right here we have the app, which is pretty cool. I really like this one. It doesn't have pro, so let's click here on get wallpaper. You can see an ad for full resolution or just download the HD version. Let's set the wallpaper. And there you go. It's pretty fast. I really enjoy that. And that makes it one of my favorite probably. I am using this on my foldable phone all the time. I do really like the wallpapers they have. If you really want to seek by color and everything like that, what I recommend you get is this app called Papers Wallpapers. So let's click here on install. Right here you can select the color, which you can also do in the MKBHD app. If you didn't know it yet, you can seek by color and what you really like. And seeking by color is really special because not every single wallpaper app has this. So that Papers Wallpapers have this is pretty cool. So let's go open the app. Papers. It's pretty cool. There you go, it's already opening. Wants us to consent. You can easily just click on here, manage options, and then deny everything here, and then click on confirm choices and then apply. But yeah, right here we have the app. Looks pretty nice. We can seek probably by which colors we want by clicking on the search bar, and now we can seek by color. So right here we have multiple wallpapers. For example, this one. Can we swipe? Not really. We can look at it. We can zoom in, which is pretty nice. Or if we want a different color, we can easily do that. For example, if I want this one, One Punch Man, let's set it as our background. Let's set it as our home and lock screen right here. And that's going to take a moment, and then it is successfully set. There you go. It was also pretty fast. But let's round it up real quick. We have Theme Pixel Wallpapers apps right here. You have some cool designs right here, which can look great on your Google Pixel phone. Let's open the app, and this is how it looks like. You can continue with your Google account, which is sad because you have to log in. Let's log in. It was pretty quick. Here we have some wallpapers from Theme Pixel. It's the same as a previous app we had, but that's fine because it has Google Pixels now. So let's click here on free again. There you go, some pixel wallpapers like they normally give you with your new phone. This is pretty cool. This one is called Pixel Blend. You can easily see the cracks of my screen. Depends if you like this, but this is AI wallpapers called wall art. Right here, you have some AI generated wallpapers. That doesn't mean you can have some more options. That's why I'm really good on this phone. Yeah, right here. If you really enjoy this, then you should be using this app too. So let's open the app. There you go. We got some free wallpapers right here, which is pretty cool. If you like this cute cat, this collection right here, you got Explorer. But let's go set it right here. I'm going to set it and I'm going to put it as home and lock screen. I'm going to take a moment and now it is set as my background. Pretty freaking cool background. I really like these vibrant colors. Here we have another paid one, but it's only 89 cents. It's called Pastel Wallpapers. They look pretty cool. There you go. And if you really enjoy this, you can easily get it with your Google rewards. Look, that's a hot dog with a burger, some ice cream and all that. So now I'm going to get it by processing it, and then I have the app available on my phone right now. They have 300 pastel themed apps, wallpapers in HD and 4K if you really enjoy the app. And I'm sorry I'm not going into a lot of detail per app because otherwise it takes more of your time, which I don't want to use. Let's go and open the app right now. Pastel Wallpapers. There you go. We have a whole collection right here. If you really like this kind of theme, this is pretty cool. For example, you have a girlfriend, a boyfriend. You can easily do these and it's pretty cool, I guess. For like the boyfriend or the girlfriend, I don't know, with Valentine, you know. So let's set it as my background right here. Let's put it on the home and lock screen. There you go. It's gonna take a moment and then I can go back. And you can see that is my background right now. This one is pretty much underrated, but you can also use your Google rewards. It's €1.09, minimal wallpapers. And right here, you have some wallpapers that are pretty much calming. So let me just swipe through them. There you go. And they look pretty nice to me, if I would say so. Make sure you check out Google Rewards Opinion app because you can really get some free rewards from this. You have to spend it within a year. Do remember that. But yeah, it's a free app to download, so why not download it? So now once again, and this is the last app, I'm going to process the payment for minimal walls, I mean, and now we can easily install it. Let's wait a moment. I'm going to take a moment before we can download it. There you go. Let's open it, and this is the app. Looks pretty nice. You can easily see it's AI generated, but it's kind of minimal, you know. I mean, it doesn't have too many distractions. This is of course the Christmas theme. I wish they had Valentine, but they have a lot of pretty nice wallpapers. I'm of course showing you this because you don't have to pay to see. And yeah, here we have some pretty nice wallpapers. If you really enjoy that, for example, this one, I don't know, we can easily apply it right here on our phone. So let's set on both and then go to OK. Now it is applying and setting to our background. This is the background on my phone right now. We have a lot of apps, you know, but if you really enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe right now so we can hit 5,000 subscribers at the end of this year. Hope we can, so we can grow this educational company and channel. I've shown you a lot of apps, you know, and it depends on which one is your favorite. I like to not pay for apps. So my favorite is probably Panels, and also a bonus app called Zedge. It has wallpapers and ringtones, which is pretty cool. They have Valentine already now and fans and offers. So I think that's also my favorite. So my favorite is Panels and Zedge wallpapers and ringtones. So thank you so much for watching. I wanted to make this video a little bit more shorter, but because there were so many apps and I wanted to show so much, there was a lot to see. Make sure you check out the timestamps. If you haven't yet, I've probably put them down. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So thank you for watching.